Hey everybody, this is Eboan with UnboundUAV. So I'm doing an update video on the Emax Nano antenna. So right here what you see is the left-hand circular polarized nano antenna, and it worked fantastic. So last weekend it went through finals at multi-GP. The squad was actually beat up quite a bit, took 2 failed rebuilds, and was bashed around. So as you can see, the fin up here spent quite a bit of time in dirt and tumbling about. Plus, there was steel gates. The antenna ended up coming out perfect. It got whacked back a bit sometimes, but that was pretty much about it. I had fantastic video quality the entire time. So now I'm happy to say, who needs the micro Axii? No need. $12 or so, and get yourself one of these. You're good to go. Video is solid for racing.